The T-Mobile gateway offline problem refers to instances where T-Mobile's 5G gateways disconnect from the network, causing internet outages for users. These gateways act as intermediaries between cell towers and the core network, routing data and managing connections. As of March 2026, the problem has been significantly reduced, but occasional localized outages still occur, especially during peak usage or in rural areas. Initially, the problem was more prevalent due to software bugs, hardware vulnerabilities, and load balancing issues. Now, T-Mobile uses cloud-native architecture and AI-driven anomaly detection to avoid issues. Several factors contributed to the gateway offline problem. Software bugs and firmware failures in early 5G deployments were common. Hardware vulnerabilities, such as power surges or overheating, also played a role. Incorrect load balancing could cause a single offline gateway to affect millions. Cyber attacks were also a concern and continue to be addressed. T-Mobile has been proactive in identifying and mitigating these causes with software updates, hardware upgrades, and enhanced security measures. Software bugs and firmware failures in early 5G deployments were common. Complex software stacks from vendors like Ericsson and Nokia led to issues in routing protocols, causing gateways to crash and disconnect regions. Hardware vulnerabilities, such as power surges or overheating, also played a role. Physical gateways in remote locations were susceptible to environmental factors and lacked sufficient cooling or surge protection. Incorrect load balancing could cause a single offline gateway to affect millions. Without dynamic rerouting, traffic couldn't automatically divert around faulty nodes, leading to widespread outages. Cyber attacks were also a concern and continue to be addressed. Vulnerabilities in gateway software could be exploited, leading to intentional offline states or data breaches. T-Mobile has been proactive in identifying and mitigating these causes with software updates, hardware upgrades, and enhanced security measures. These efforts include AI-driven monitoring and redundant systems. In late 2025, T-Mobile implemented the Gateway Resilience Initiative, or GRE, a comprehensive software overhaul incorporating AI-driven anomaly detection. This initiative works proactively to identify potential offline incidents before they can escalate into widespread outages. The GRI has led to significant improvements in network reliability, achieving a 75% reduction in outage frequency compared to 2024 levels. This reduction is evident in outage data, showing fewer incidents overall. Through this proactive approach, T-Mobile demonstrates its strong commitment to network stability and innovative problem-solving in the telecommunications industry. T-Mobile utilizes AI and machine learning to predict and prevent gateway outages. AI models are trained on historical outage data to forecast potential issues and facilitate proactive fixes. This approach reduces the mean time to repair from hours to minutes. AI-driven predictive maintenance is a key trend in 5G network management. AI models are trained on historical outage data to forecast potential issues and facilitate proactive fixes. This approach reduces the mean time to repair from hours to minutes, enabling self-healing capabilities and improved reliability. AI-driven predictive maintenance is a key trend in 5G network management, enabling self-healing capabilities and improved reliability. Notable examples include a nationwide outage in December 2020 caused by a configuration error in a single gateway, which sparked a chain reaction affecting 100 million users for up to 24 hours. This incident led to the development of the Gateway Guardian program with 24/7 monitoring. Another significant case was a data center fire in June 2023 at a Georgia facility, which took gateways offline for 48 hours and impacted 20 million customers. The fix involved emergency failover to redundant cloud instances, costing T-Mobile millions, but highlighting the importance of geographically dispersed infrastructure. These incidents highlighted the need for robust monitoring, geographically dispersed gateways, and cloud-based redundancy. T-Mobile has learned from these past events and implemented safeguards to prevent similar occurrences. A pilot program in rural Idaho using AI-monitored gateways reduced offline incidents by 85% over 6 months, demonstrating the effectiveness of predictive maintenance and AI-driven anomaly detection. Experts emphasize the importance of universal standards to prevent vendor specific vulnerabilities. Gartner analysts note that T Mobile's AI adoption could significantly reduce outage costs. The FCC has also played a role, fining T Mobile for undisclosed outages and enforcing stricter reporting requirements. These factors drive continuous improvement in network reliability and transparency. Looking ahead, the future of 5G and 6G networks promises greater resilience and automation, with hybrid gateway designs combining terrestrial and satellite links for unprecedented connectivity. We can expect self-healing 5G networks by 2030, where gateways employ federated AI to share learnings across operators, minimizing downtime automatically. T-Mobile's partnership with Microsoft Azure focuses on virtualizing gateways entirely, eliminating physical offline states through cloud-based solutions. Quantum computing could accelerate simulations of network faults, enabling faster detection and resolution of potential issues. Despite these advancements, challenges like increased device density and cyber threats will require ongoing vigilance and innovation. This concludes our comprehensive look at the T-Mobile Gateway offline problem and its solutions.